journey started in Bangkok. After riding out of the city, I stopped in Rayong for a few days, rested a little, ate a little, and slowed everything down. Then it was time to keep moving. From Rayong, I continued the ride toward Koh Chang. No big plan, just a motorcycle, a few things packed on the back, and a small kitchen coming with me. For me, this is the best way to travel. Not too fast, not too fixed. Just ride until something feels worth stopping for. Sometimes it is a beach, sometimes it is a quiet road, sometimes it is just a place with enough space to open the box, take out the pot, and cook something simple. When you carry your kitchen with you, any place can become a restaurant. No menu, no reservation, no rush. Just food, fresh air, and the sound of the waves. After a few stops, the road led me toward the ferry. The motorcycle went on the boat, and slowly, the mainland disappeared behind me. Ahead was Koh Chang. The water changed color, the air felt different, and the trip started to become an island story. Riding on Koh Chang feels different. More trees, more curves, more space to breathe. I did not come here to hurry. I came here to move slowly, eat well, and enjoy whatever happens along the way. Before reaching Koh Chang, I arrived at the pier. The road ended for a moment, and the ferry was waiting ahead. Motorcycles, cars, people carrying bags, everyone slowly moving toward the boat. I rode forward, one small step at a time. The engine was still warm. The sea was already in front of me. This is the moment I like. Not on the mainland anymore, but not on the island yet. Just somewhere in between. The bike rolled onto the ferry, and for a while, there was nothing to do but wait, breathe, and look at the water. Behind me was Rayong. Ahead was Koh Chang. The journey